Puffins here. Are you stuck on what to get the motorcycle mad person in your life for Christmas? Do you find yourself Googling motorbike related presents? If so, this is the video for you. We have got suggestions for everyone who loves life on two wheels, whether they're a learner or an old timer or anything in between. Stay tuned for some stocking filler ideas at the end too. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more motorbike related things. So, number one on our list is for somebody who loves their bike and is spending the winter months fixing it up. A motorbike cleaning kit. If so, we recommend this muck off set. Highly affordable, excellent product. If you're looking for a present for someone who is planning a motorbike trip next year, this tool roll might be just the thing, and it has excellent reviews. If you're feeling creative, you can also make your own. Number 3, is this somebody who already owns everything they could ever need relating to motorbikes? If so, maybe a Lego model is the way to go. We have the 1200 GS, excellent bike. But Lego make multiple other models, and they will provide endless fun in the winter when the full-size version is stuck in the garage. Number 4, are you trying to bring your biker buddy into the 21st century? A Quadlock mount and case could be just the thing. You can get different mounts as well for your push bike, your bicycle, or an armband for running as well. Number 5, along with this idea of technology, maybe a subscription to this app, Kalimoto, could be a good idea. Number 6 and number 7 are interrelated. If you have a biker who is hardy enough to bike through the winter, if you live somewhere cold, then potentially some heated gloves could be the way forwards. These ones have excellent reviews and are relatively affordable. Or, if gloves won't cut it, how about some BAM thermals to go underneath your motorbike kit? Environmentally friendly and super cozy, BAM is excellent for motorbikers. These thermal leggings or long sleeve top are an excellent start to a layer collection. Number 8, if you are feeling particularly generous and have deep pockets, it would be an excellent present if your friend loves camping to get them a motorbike specific tent. The Lone Rider ones are particularly popular for this, but there are other brands out there that also have excellent reviews. As promised, a bonus stocking filler idea is a high quality leather keyring. We have this Rhino, which is an ideal motorbike keyring as it is soft enough not to scratch your tank, but big enough to help you not lose your keys and stylish to boot. If you want to go one step further, you could get your biker friend this tile to add to their keys so that they never lose their keys again. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any other suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more motorbike and travel videos.